right, today we have a really cool bike that not many people know about. The 2020 FLH Standard. This one belongs to Johnny, really good friend and customer of mine. He bought this thing brand new in 2020. We've done a lot of cool stuff to it. Although it looks pretty stock, it's not. It's got the 468 zippers cam, Thundermax headers. It's got a really nice set of bone shakers on it. We've done some LED lights, the audio. He's kept it maintained really well. So he's about wore out his back tire. So we're going to go ahead, replace his back tire, and put a set of 14-inch apes on it for him. Believe it or not, his doctor told him to put them on there. How about that?
How about that?
We all need a doctor that tells us to put ape hangers on our bike. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then probably won't get into any tire change and stuff because that's just tire changing. But we'll show you a before and after on this one. If you haven't seen any of these around, they were really affordable workhorse type, utility type bikes. Not a lot of chrome on them, which a lot of people appreciate. They also had the really cool red emblem on them, which that's factory stock. It looks really custom, even though it's not. It looks really good. I kind of wish they'd come back out with these. Somebody needs to let them boys know that not everybody wants to have chrome everywhere. A lot of people buy these to ride them, and that's what this one is exactly. It was bought to be ridden and used, and he takes care of it and rides it a lot. So we'll change the apes out and give you an idea what it looks like afterwards.
A few moments later.
All right, on Mr. Johnny's bike, got the ape hangers on.
Don't act like you're not impressed.
14-inch KSTs, gloss black. Boy, that sure gives this bike an attitude. Tony's finishing up the Michelin rear tire right now, and this bike will be ready to go. Which one's this? Which one's this, Tony?
It's my favorite one.
This your favorite bike?
Yeah.
He rides this thing hard.
He loves it.
So,
Rain or shine.
all right. Well, we sure appreciate you watching this little short video on Mr. Johnny's bike, and we'll talk at you later. Tell him bye, Tony.
See y'all later.